It's Grand Finals. It's Seagull Joe. It's ZD. I thought I asked people, who's going to dethrone them?
Dude, high octane set incoming.
Incoming.
Fox, Toria, Sonic, Raw, Go, Woo. I'm playing a lot of Sonic on Leech lately, so this is going to be fun.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude.
Sonic's a bad game. All of them. All of them are bad games.
Fox, Cloud, no Sonic to worry about here. Boy Vanilla can keep his wig on.
So I do gotta say, Cloud, not a bad choice for him. It was definitely it was working for him a lot better than any of his other picks. So I do like the switch to Cloud here.
No, I believe that. Covers Fox's landings way better. Sonic, Fox, not sure how that matchup goes. Don't think it's amazing. I know Seagull actually, I don't know if it's going to show up here. I actually doubt it that it will. This is too easy to counterpick. But Seagull having a Kirby in the works to handle Fox.
A Kirby?
Yeah, Kirby actually just win the Fox matchup pretty well.
Yeah?
A lot of Kirby's tools is just to snuff out Foxes. And Kirby has a lot of true, practically zero to deaths on Fox as well.
Actually practical, though?
Yes, practical.
I believe that when I see it.
Like they're his best options. Ooh, I like the returning climb hazard on stage.
Seagull has yet to hit one of those dash attacks to catch the edge guard.
Yeah, just nothing yet from him. I really like Seagull's option to just back air shield. That's a lot. It's a common tool that I feel like Clouds need to use way more in certain matchups.
You don't think they use it already?
A lot of them don't. I mean, at least in Clouds I play, they don't take full advantage of the fact that like certain characters you can just back air shield and they can never really come up with a true response for it.
I swear to you, that is all Zephyr does to me.
I mean, Zephyr nice.
Zephyr nice.
Maybe I'm not playing nice Clouds.
No.
Tell our man's Jason Fiddle how you start backing into the shields. It's
Actually,
safe.
though, I think JFig could benefit a lot from that.
Actually, though. Clouds everywhere.
Back air Mordo. And Seagull taking that first stock, proving to us that maybe, he's not out for the count every time he's up against ZD. He certainly has been a counter to Seagull for a while.
Actually.
I think that's what makes...
Hey, man. Son's got to beat father, dude.
What?
Can't let dad beat up their kid.
Oh.
No one. What
are you doing? Why are you hanging out there?
I learned that recently at the end of Fox's forest match, 2 frames ledge, and I think it's wild.
I mean, that wasn't even 2 frames. He was just hanging out there too long.
I didn't know it could hit under ledge at all, but it can.
Yeah. Here we go. This is the start of something.
Tell me something going.
Ooh.
What are you going to see?
All right,
oh,
so
scoops?
high key. Big difference between, say, Fox and Falco. Not saying, like, Falco's... Oh, my God, that worked?
Oh.
Never mind. You know what? I was just about to say, Fox's side B is so much safer than Falco's. Fox's side B is, it has so much better hitboxes. It's blah, blah, blah. I was going to say something nice about Fox.
No, dude, that character's booty. No involved in the second half of side B? Please. He's dead now for it.
Hold up, pause. That character ain't booty. You're actually on some shit.
Why did he lose?
He lost because he did an unsafe recovery option.
What you talking about, dude? Fox. Any character that loses the match to Luigi is bottom 5.
What?
Any character that loses the match to Luigi is bottom 5.
Bottom 5?
Yeah, dude.
You think Fox is bottom 5?
Yeah.
Where do you think that puts Ganondorf? Also bottom 5?
Probably like 20.
I hate you.
25th, if you want to argue that. Cloud Hazard back to sweet spot ledge. Good stuff to Seagull Joe. Cloud really put in work on ZD's Fox. ZD not really having much of an answer to it at all.
No. I think... See, right there. I think the big thing that ZD needs to do differently in this game is space around Seagull's aerials a lot. Because he is landing with a lot of those aerials. Usually there or up there. And I think if he just kind of stays out of his zone, space him out, Be a little more patient with it. I think ZD could take this game pretty easily.
And covers his landing like our man just took that up here to do.
Right?
Good stuff to our, man.
Take that, Dad. So one thing I don't understand about the Dad Theon and like the 7 dads or whatever.
If Seagull loses, is he taking our man's Wii U?
What?
If Seagull loses,
oh, like is he grounded?
Yeah, dude.
You're grounded, son.
Beat your father on stream. What's wrong with you?
What the fuck is wrong?
It's your mom finds out. Alright, if Seagull's the dad, who's his mom?
Who's the mom of MDVA?
Waddy.
You think Waddy is their mother?
Yeah, dude. Waddy's a nice guy.
Waddy's a nice guy, but he's not a mom.
I don't know. No. There is literally Mama Brett.
Alright. No, actually, it's probably Kree.
Yeah, Kree looks...
Go on.
What are you gonna do?
Bank him!
I'm so wild at how quickly that move kills. And I understand that he was at high percent and it was fully charged, but forward smash is just so good.
Yeah.
It's wild.
But he was at 140, so...
No, I feel you.
Like... Yeah, that was swift. And actually
That's
exactly
what happened. Man.
Not even. No. Hey, you got doubles. I do have Poseidon's a cool guy.
Yeah, dude. He's a bro, dude.
I'm excited to see doubles though, because we got ZD and Squig still there. We got Seagull and Poseidon still there.
Yeah, ZD's gonna be fresh off his W.
No. Oh wait, yeah, you're right.
We fresh off playing into his dubs bracket. ZD's about to double dominate this tournament. That's why ZD didn't dub with his dad, dude. He's like, no, Dad.
I'm gonna beat you in singles and doubles.
Yeah.
Now,
you're not shit, Dad.
All right, now hold on. Seagull did tell me that he has never lost like a doubles local that he attended or something like that. I forget the specifics. There's something about doubles and he's never lost.
Yeah.
He demanded that I see him first, and I'm like, all right, whatever. It's Seagull and Poseidon. I can see that. That's fine. You know, ZD and Squig second. That's respectable. Sure. I want to see if the talk is in the right place. Like, do you think Seagull and Poseidon are going to get upset in doubles? The shine stall. That was clean.
Oh, yeah, that was clean. Yeah. We're still seeing that young, strong lead from our boy Fox. It's funny, this stage just benefits both characters so incredibly much.
I really like how ZD is mixing up his recovery this time around, though. He's really not getting caught by any of that. I don't want to say dumb stuff, but he's not getting caught with those like semi-obvious options that.
Absolutely not.
Of course, I say that.
Right to the side cross slash, right?
Right. Oh my goodness, that's gonna kill. The fuck? Ban Cloud.
Absolute ban. We ban Lila and definitely we can't get Cloud gone. Come on,
right?
guys.
Chill.
Dude, you gotta speak up.
All the TOs need to come together. All right, ban Fox. Never mind. Ban this game. I quit. No, seriously, it is a tight set.
Even games, 100%.
I guess ultimately I'm happy to see Seagull doing so much better this time around.
Oh, yeah.
Because the current theme for JTS Plus has been Seagull and ZD Grand Finals. And outside of the first time, it's been ZD cleaning up house.
Yeah. Hey, man. Let me blood live.
Ooh.
Seagull's an old buck teaching school every day. Let someone with some fresh hands take the reins.
I mean, Seagull's trying to take these reins back, though. Chill.
Plus, man, you know my man ZD is a growing boy, young buck, ready to get rough. You know what he posted the other day? On
mission, target acquired.
Yes, dude.
Target acquired. The booty.
A little bit of peach. Dude, target acquired.
Speaking of target acquired, good lord.
Target down, dude. He's gonna DM his little whoever this peach is.
Why you gotta say little? How do you know shot thick? Why do you think she put that peach?
I mean, little compared to like buildings. I don't know, dude.
Actually, that's kind of fucked up. I shouldn't say that because like he's like 16, right?
Yeah.
Let me not say that. Pause.
Well, yeah. I mean,
I'm taking
let's
that all the way back.
Let's not talk about the attractiveness of whoever he's talking to. Let's just
Alright.
say there's a girl. In
Wait,
his
hold on.
life.
What if she's 25? I'm 25.
Then that's illegal. In Maryland, it
dude.
needs to be a 3-year difference, dude.
4. Get it in.
That's literally,
4. Get it in.
25 to 16 is still too big of a gap, though.
Get it in, dude.
Why don't I wonder? Like, okay, well, other time, I guess. But this set though,
Yeah.
how you feel?
I feel
2-1,
like
our man's ZD heading the pack.
heading the pack. Absolutely. I will say, Seagull is playing so much better. I don't know what it is that he could. Last game, Seagull was on top of him, right?
Yeah.
ZD got this. What is it? 60% combo on him.
Yeah.
Got a couple more capitalizations. Played it careful, and then got him with that F smash at the end.
It's the Luigi in him.
It's the Luigi in him.
It's
Okay.
the Luigi in him. He was a Luigi main, picked up some better characters, and is now able to capitalize with that same punish game that you need to play Luigi well, with better tools.
How much do you think? How much do you think this is? ZD is just so keen to Seagull's habits that it's just a matter of waiting and punishing.
Could be it. I mean, they play each other so often. They both hit up locals like crazy.
What? That was confusing. I mean, like, I know what happened, but that was just.
Still looked weird.
It's like you got hit by first hit cross slash, but not the rest.
I'm really upset that that's a thing that works.
Ooh,
Side
Sakurai.
B into up air.
That's the Sakurai combo, right?
I believe so.
No, that's not going to kill without rage this time. That will.
That will.
Oh, I lied.
No, dude. You don't know about my son's DI?
You know what? My bad.
You don't know that my son DIs?
I mean, I would hope he did.
Yeah, dude.
Does he?
I
Wait,
mean,
is he
did
your
you see
son
that?
too? Are you a dad's?
One more time?
Are you also a dad of his?
Oh, no, I'm not a dad, but like he's my...
That's your boy.
He's my boy, dude. My boy, my son. I will refer to him as such. That
That
Time
worked.
Hazard will not be effective in killing, but will definitely give out something shaky.
Ooh!
Oh.
Good tech from Seagull.
Yeah, even if it's not a dub, though, you just got mad damage.
Yes. Oh, I like what he went for there, and I love what ZD went for there. That was Grand Finals. Great job to ZD. Taking it, JTS 14 plus is winner. Again, the Prince sits on top the throne. Good stuff to everyone, though. Seriously.
Yeah, man. It's like ZD's grounded now, though.